On this video today, I'm going to show you the best strategy that you can use to make money with the newly released AI tool by Google, Nano Banana. Nano Banana is the best AI tool that you can use to make money as a complete beginner with zero skills, with zero experience, and without investing anything. The tool is free, and the best part is that wherever you are in the world, you can use it to make money. As you can see, this is my dashboard. You can see I've made over $1,000 in just a matter of one day. As you can see it right here, this is my Kindle Direct Publishing, and you can see the results right here. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know. And if you are new, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to go on your search bar. Once you are on your search bar, search for Nano Banana. Just search for Nano Banana. As you can see it right here, just search for Nano Banana. Once you search for it, you can click on the first link that you see on your search results page, or you can click on the second one. So just click on any of them that you want. Now once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. Click on get started. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see, try Nano Banana. Nano Banana is one of the AI tools that has been recently released by Google, and it can help you do a lot of different things with images. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to use it to make money. So just click on try Nano Banana. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this, and you can see generate an image of a banana wearing a costume. You can see that is a prompt. So now what you have to do is that you have to give it a specific prompt so that it can generate your desired results for you. Now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to use it to make money with Amazon KDP. So you have to create a book so that you can publish it on Amazon KDP. Amazon KDP is a platform where you can publish books for free, and then when you get people to purchase the books, you are going to earn a royalty per sale. So we are going to use this tool to create books so that we can sell on Amazon KDP. You don't need any editing skills. So we have to find a prompt that is suitable for creating books so that we can create a book right here. Now children books are trending, so we are going to create a children book that will help us make a lot of money because they are trending right now, and you need to also create one so that you can make money free wherever you are in the world. You can just think of any prompt that you want and then write it here, or you can use ChatGPT to generate a prompt for you so that you can create a suitable ebook that will get thousands of people to purchase it and then read. So you can come on ChatGPT and then type something like give a prompt to create a 12-page children's storybook that is interesting, fun, and educative to children under the age of 8 to 12. So just type a prompt like this on ChatGPT. So if you are not sure of the kind of prompt that you need to give to Nano Banana, you can use ChatGPT to create a suitable prompt for you. So you can see it has created a well-structured prompt that I can just copy and paste on Nano Banana, and it will create an ebook for me for free. You can see this is the prompt, so just highlight and copy it. You can see everything about the prompt, and with a clear moral or lesson that inspire children to do good in their daily lives. That is the ending. So you can just highlight and copy everything. Once you highlight, copy it. Once you copy it, the next thing is that you have to come on Nano Banana. Once you're on Nano Banana, let's paste it right here. Let's paste our prompt right here. So paste your prompt right here. Once you paste it, you can see it right here. Now the next step is that you have to click on run. So once you click on it, it is going to generate the ebook for you. You can see it is generating, so you can see everything. It is going to generate it for you. Just wait for it to generate the ebook for you. As you can see, it has created the storybook. You can see everything. These are the pages. You can see these are the pages. So the next step is that you have to type a prompt so that it can illustrate the story on images so that you can use them to create your book. So you can see this is my prompt. Illustrate the story on images, or any kind of English that is correct. Just type your prompt right here so that it will illustrate the story on images for you. So once you have your prompt, click on run so that it will illustrate everything for you. You can see right here, I can do that. Here are the illustrations for your story. So it is going to illustrate everything on images for you. So just wait for the images it will generate everything for you. So because of my network, you are not going to see the images, so let's wait for some time. It will do everything for you. As you can see, these are images of your story. You can see this is the image for page 1. When you scroll down, you see many of them. You can see these are the images. The last page, page 12, this is the image. All the pages now have illustrations. You can see page 9. You can see images for each of the pages. You can see images. So now what you have to do is that you have to download each of these images and then add some text. For example, you can download an image for the first page. So just click on download so that you can download it. You can see it is downloading. So just download all the images for your story. Once you download the images, the next step is that you have to search for Canva.com. Canva is one of the graphic design websites that you can use to design anything. They have templates that you can use to design your desired product. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to use a template so that we can create a storybook for kids using the story that we got from Nano Banana. So just search right here, children's book, search for children's book, just search for it. Once you search for it, you get a template that you can put your story in and then begin to sell. You can see these are templates that you can use. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see many templates that you can use. You can see a whole lot of different templates that you can use. So just select the one that you want so that you can use it. In this case, I'm going to select this one right here. So click on it. Once you click on it, click on customize this template. Once you click on it, it is going to open for you to customize. So you can see this is it. You can see everything. So what we need to do is that we have to click on add page, because this is going to be the cover of our book and we can design it later. So just ignore all of this and then click on add page so that we can begin to create our story. So click on add page. Once you click on it, the next step is that you have to import the image that you downloaded from Nano Banana. So come right here, click on uploads. Once you click on it, select upload files. Once you click on it, select the image that you downloaded. Once you upload the image, right click on it so that it will be selected right here. Once that is done, right click on the image again and then select it as your background. As you can see, that has been done. Now you can add your text to it. So all that you need to do is that you have to come back on Nano Banana. Once you come back, you can see this is page 1. Highlight and then copy your story. Highlight and copy your story. Once you highlight and copy your story, the next step is that you have to come back on Canva. Let me zoom it for you to see. So let's zoom our page. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, click on text. Once you click on text, the next step is that you have to click on add a heading. Once that is done, paste your story right here. Once you paste it, you can see it is too large. The next step is that you have to decrease the font size. So decrease it so that it can be something that can be read with the image. So just reduce it. As you can see, that has been done. So now what you have to do is that you have to move the text upwards. As you can see, that has been done. So let's reduce the text more further. Once that is done, you can choose the alignment. So just choose any alignment that you want. You can see that has been done. Once you choose the alignment, you can drag the text box so that everything will appear here. As you can see, the text is not readable, so you can either add a text box or you can change the color. So you can just select it right here. Color. Once you come to color, you can change it to any color that is readable. You can see, you can test all the colors so that you can see if you get a readable color. So you can see I'm not convinced with all these colors. So what you need to do is that you have to add a text box. So just drag it down, come on elements. Once you come on elements, the next step is that you have to take a shape. So you can see shapes right here. Select a box. Once that is done, you have to drag it upwards, and then fill it at the upper part or where you want to paste your text. So paste it right here. We can change the background color of our shape. So you can change it to any color that you want. Just click on color, change it to any background color that you want. You can see this seems clear. If you want, you can select a different color. There are many colors that you can select. So just select the one that is good to you. You can see a whole lot of them. Just select the one that is nice. As you can see, that has been done. Now once that is done, the next step is that you have to scroll down, click on add a page. Once you click on it, you are going to repeat the same thing. Once you download your image, you are going to come back on Canva. Once you come back, click on upload. Once you click on it, you are going to click on upload files. Once that is done, select your downloaded image. Once you have your image, the next step is that we are going to go to elements, since we know that we need to put our text on a shape. So just select the shape that you want. Once that is done, you are going to place the shape right here. Just paste it at the top where you want to paste your text. As you can see, that has been done. Just paste it right here. So you are going to repeat the same steps for all the pages. Just repeat the same steps for all the pages. Now once that is done, the next step is that you have to design a cover for your ebook. So what you need to do is that you have to search for poster my wall. So search for poster my wall. You can see it right here, poster my wall. Poster my wall is a website where you can get different graphic templates that you can use for anything that you want. So just search for poster my wall. If you are not a good designer like me, poster my wall is your best friend. You can use it to create any kind of ebook covers that you want. Apart from that, you can get different templates from poster my wall. So once you're on poster my wall, just sign up for an account and then click on templates. Once you click on templates, you have to come right here, navigate down so that you can get book covers. So as you can see, covers, click on it. Once you click on it, you can see social media, graphics and the rest. Click on Kindle / book covers. Once you click on it, you are going to get a lot of different templates that you can use for your ebook. So once you click on it, scroll down, you can see these are a lot of different templates that you can use to design a cover for your ebook. You can see a whole lot of them. You can select a template like this and then customize it. You can select any template that you want. Just select a template that you want, customize it so that you can use it for your book. For the sake of time, I'm not going to customize a template. Since you know the website, you can search for it and then select a template, edit it on your own so that you can use it on your book. So now once you have your cover, the next step is that you have to download your story. So click right here, share. Once you click on share, click on download. Once you click on download, click right here and then select PDF print. So once that is done, click on download so that you can download your book. Once you have downloaded your book, the next step is that you have to search for Amazon KDP. There are many platforms where you can sell your book for free, but Amazon KDP is one of the best because it's the largest marketplace where you can sell your ebook for free without paying for anything. So just search for Amazon KDP. Once you search for it, you can create an account and then begin to sell your ebook. When you sign up for an account, you are going to see a page like this. Click on create new title. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to select whether your book is an ebook, paperback, hardcover. Any of them that you want, you select it. In this case, it is a paperback. So click on paperback. Once you click on create a paperback, you have to select the language of your book, which is in English. If your book is in German or any other language, you can just scroll and then select it. Once that is done, enter your book title, subtitle. You can see the details, everything about your book, the author's name, contributors, the description, everything. Just add everything and then make sure you click on save and continue. So it's a simple process. I have a video on my channel that shows you step by step on how to upload a book on Amazon KDP, so you can watch it and then get more knowledge about how to upload your book and then sell. So that is it for today. Make sure you go and take action so that you can begin to make money from home. Don't hesitate because people are making money out of it and make money out of it. So don't procrastinate about taking action. Take action now so that you can make money for free wherever you are in the world without any investment. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button for updates of my next videos.